I am not having the best trading days because it's not for lost trades or anything. No, I've had a couple of missed entries just today though. So I'm just making a video of what happened. So usually I trade the 1 hour. I usually use 1 hour for my directional bias, right? Then my 5 minutes for entry. That's easy. That's what I do. My trading strategy is quite simple. Like it could fit in 3 lines. That's it. Very, very simple. And so this is how I got this particular trade. Although it was missed, but I just want to talk about it. Now, if you watch, this trend has been as this has been a downtrend for some hours, right? For probably a day in fact. Right, so you see here, this the shift came in. That was on Friday, right? So it has been bearish since then. Now, I'm not interested in many of those things that have been happening. No, I'm not interested in. So this is the main thing I'm interested in. Key levels. That's it. The 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 the, the closest key levels. That's what I'm mostly interested in. So how did I get about this? I saw that okay, this has been a nice downtrend, clear down bearish movement. Then I used the line chart, marked out the closest key level, right? That's what I do. I marked it out. Then what did I see? Then I saw that this particular candle wicked above that particular key level, and in many cases, that's usually CRT for me, right? That's usually CRT for me. Right? So, and in fact, it works well when it supports the bias of markets, right? So immediately I saw that, I switched over to the 5 minutes time frame, right? Easy. I switched over. Then what did I do again? I look for the same thing, change instead of delivery, right? That is, yeah, that's MSS or CISD, whatever language you choose to call it. So I'm looking out for the same thing again. Now, where is the closest MSS to this market? Mind you, this is where I am looking at. This is the particular zone I'm looking at. Right? That is this particular zone. That's what I'm looking at. This zone, because this is where everything happens, right? So I mark out the shift in market structure, the ones I see. Then I mark this one out again. Mark it out again. Right? Easy as that. Go back to the candle chart. Now, firstly, I was actually expecting to get tapped in immediately because I love taking my trades very, very quickly. I don't like staying for hours and hours and all that. So immediately I saw that okay, this trade left me here. It did not tap me at on time. I said okay, probably it will tap me in here. Then I waited again. Market just disrespected everything. Did not tap me in here again. I was like, okay, that's it. I close it out. I'm like, I'm not interested. If market is not tapping me out within 10 minutes, I'm out of that trade. In most cases, I'm not waiting. 10, 15 minute tops. I leave the trade and go. So that was what happened. So that's how I lost this, but this entry. Right. Now, if you watch, I would have won this trade. I'm making this video for myself to actually learn my mistakes, right? So if you watch, there is a V level here. There's a V level here. Watch it. That's a V level. I should have taken that particular entry. If I had taken this particular entry, I would have just placed my entry here on that spot. Then target this particular key level. Then still use the same take profits. Right. And I would have gotten close 8 RR trade. That's a 7.84 RR trade. That was easy. this is what I would have gotten. And this is all within the space of how many minutes? 5, 10, 15, 20, 20 minutes. I would have gotten a 7.8 hour trade. Easy peasy. Now, another one again. The same particular entry I was supposed to get. The entry came back. It was supposed to tap me. I seen it. Easy. That was another. My initial target was 3.61 hour, which I would have achieved as well. Right, so this is the first trade I missed. Right. This is the first one. Let me move to the second one. I've had about 3 missed entries today, I think. NZD USD, yes. That's New Zealand dollars to, yeah. So this is, so let me show it to you let me show you the trade. This was it here, right? This is it here. Now let me show how I got into that trade. Let me increase this particular stuff here so that's, yeah. Okay. Okay, so what happened here? The same thing. The same thing. I always have the same thing. Firstly, 1 hour directional bias. If you see, this market has been trending upward. Right? Not just trending, not just with the eyes. Let me show you. This is a break of structure, right? This is another break of structure. This one here, right? Break. This is another break of structure, right? So if you can see, the market has been breaking structure continuously, right? So I'm not getting trends. It is actually easy to see, right? So, but we are in an uptrend easily. But then again, I saw this particular bearish candle, quite bearish, right? It closed below that is this one I'm talking about. I saw this particular bearish candle, this one, right? I saw it. I'm like, okay, this market might want to come back and tap this fair value gap here, this particular fair value gap, right? This area, this particular fair value gap. I'm like, okay, hopefully this market is coming to tap this fair value gap here so that before it takes the move upward again. I'm like, okay. Then the best thing happened again. I saw this candle tap the liquidity of this A shaped key level. That's what I saw. I saw it happen. Right? I'm like, okay, that's good. Then the next best thing I did was switch to my 5-minute chart time frame. Right? That's what I did. Easy peasy. Let me take this one out. So I saw, okay, hence that has happened already. I saw this particular change in character here. That is here. There's a change in character or change in state of delivery, like some people call it. MSS, doesn't matter. It's the same thing. Right. That was easy for me. Then what happened next? Market broke past it. Like, okay, very good. Then I saw liquidity pulling in here. I'm like, okay, this is good. And like I said, I usually like taking my entries within 5 to 15 minutes tops after market has broken through a particular that is had a change instead of delivery because I'm a scalper. Then I was like, okay, there's no need to wait because I saw that market already came to my take profit area. I'm like, okay, there's no need anymore. Then I left it. In fact, thankfully I left that trade because else I would have been stopped out, right? That's easy. I would have stopped out. But then again, while I was trying to enter this trade, my mind was telling me, you know what, take it on your MT5, go for market execution instead of setting a limit. My mind was telling me that, but I'm like, nah, I'll just wait for the best entry. And if I had, I would have gotten at least a 3 hour trade. Yeah, I would have gotten a 3 hour trade. Right? So, but then again, that's another missed entry. I think, yeah, I still have another missed entry here. I still have another missed entry. I still have another missed entry. Euro JPY. This one. Okay, this is still running, and I'm not sure I want to hold on to this trade because it's taking hours. Right? It's taking so much hours. But anyways, this was how I entered this trade. I observed this particular key level here. Let me exit out. I saw this particular key level here. Go back again to the line chart. You will see this is the key level, right? This is a key level. I'm like, okay. Then what happened next? Market broke past it. Market broke past it. I'm like, okay, very good. Now, obviously, that means that the market has that particular resistance had turned into a support. Simple terms, right? And what did I do? I moved into my five. I was like, okay, let me wait and see. I think I was busy then. I think yeah, I was busy then, and I did not enter this trade at once. Then I saw the next one happen. That is this particular one here, this particular key level. Right. Then I saw market broke through. I went to the 5 minutes and placed an entry there. So that was this one is still running, and hopefully it's I think it's a 4.5 hour trade. GBP USD. This particular one. I just checked a few minutes ago, and I'm very very pained. Like this is a 2.23 hour trade. The same thing happened here, right? This is a resistance turns to support. That is that's an RBS, right? Okay, so I think that was around the same time I was busy doing something and I did not catch this trade. But I saw another one. That is this particular support here. That is this particular key level. This particular key level here, right? After I saw that, and I still know that this market is quite bullish, right? So I did the next best thing, which is switch to the 5 minutes time frame. Switch to the 5 minutes time frame, then waited, then checked for the breakout, which is this gap here, right? I hope, yeah, that's the gap. Now, so I'm pained right now, right? I'm very very pained because this market came in, did not tap me. See, did not tap me. Rather, see if you watch, this market is very very particular. He used this open close. In fact, it did not even touch the open close. So that's the thing. It did not even touch this open close, right? So yeah, that's about it. And the market is ready, and the trade is ready flying up. It's ready flying high. I don't know if it will come back or not. Hopefully, it uses this area as liquidity, right? Then comes back to tap on this other block, right? On this area, then flies away. Hopefully, but then again, I don't know. I don't control the market. I'm not a market maker. Yes. So I think USD JPY. No, I don't have a trade, but I missed a trade there. Very very sweet trade. This is GBP JPY here. I do have a trade there. Yes. So this one I actually like. I did not like how the market was ranging, and I just left the trade because the market was ranging, and I left because I did not like the price action I was playing out. And in fact, if you watch, it's already probably taken me. It would have taken me out anyway. So yeah, so that's how I've fared for today. Missed entries, whole lot of missed entries, but it is what it is. We move.